Welcome to saving an article from a database to a specific location and opening it later. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to save an article from one of our many databases to a specific place on a hard drive and then open the article later for viewing. We are going to be saving our articles in PDF format. A PDF is a document that can easily be opened on any of our computers with the Adobe Reader program. For this lesson, we'll be retrieving articles from 3 different databases to save. Their systems are all a bit different, but I want to show you how the steps for saving an article for Health Source Nursing Academic Edition, Academic OneFile, and Credo Reference are all very similar. The first thing we need to do is pull up an article in each of these databases. Let's open Health Source Nursing Academic Edition in Medicine, Academic OneFile in General Periodicals, and Credo Reference in Electronic Books. And in each one we're going to search for health. I'm going to do a quick search for health, and for health. As you can see, each page has a different layout, but there are many functional similarities. For this lesson, we need to find out where on each page will allow us to save an article for later viewing. Let's start with Health Source Nursing Academic Edition. This is a typical article page for this database. If we want to see the PDF full text of this article, we click on the PDF full text link on the left. We can now see the entire article. In order to save this article, there is a link in the upper left corner of the page that says Download PDF. Click on that. This will open the PDF in a new window. We can now right-click on the article and Save As. Be sure that when you save this document, we want to choose our flash drive on the left or the hard drive of this computer if we're going to email this article to ourselves later, or put it on your Google Drive. For now, I'm going to choose the C drive, and I'm going to name this article something that I'll remember: Health for Research. And I'm going to click Save. Now let's look at an article from Academic OneFile. The full text comes up right as we open the article. If you look to the right, you'll see a toolbar, and one of the options is to download. Click on this option, and it will ask us what format we wish to download the article in. We want to choose PDF, and then choose Download. A Save As dialog box will come up, and we can choose our flash drive on the left, removable disk E, or the hard drive of this computer, local disk C. If we're going to email this article to ourselves later, saving it on the hard drive would be a good idea. Let's name this article something that we will remember. Article from Academic OneFile on health, and click Save. Lastly, let's look at an article from Credo Reference. When we open an article in this database, there should be a toolbar on the upper right. On this toolbar, there is an icon that looks like a piece of paper with the letters PDF on it. If we click on this icon, a Save As dialog box will come up. We can choose our flash drive on the left, removable disk E, or the hard drive of the computer, local disk C. If we're going to email it to ourselves later, it's a good idea to save it in one of these places as well. Let's name the article something we'll remember. Health from Credo Reference. and click Save. We have now saved 3 PDF articles to a specific place on the computer, but how do we open them? I'm going to show you 2 ways. One of the easiest ways is to open the Adobe Reader program and then open the file from there. Go to the Windows icon in the lower left and click on All Programs, and Adobe Reader X should be at the top of the list of programs. Click on it and the program will open. You can now open a file like you were in Word. Go to File, Open, browse to the place where we saved our files, removable disk E, and then click on one of them. I'm going to click on the Health from Credo reference and click Open. And this shows us our article that we saved from Credo reference. Alternatively, if you cannot find the Adobe Reader program, you can just double click on the file itself and open it. To do this, click on the Windows icon in the lower left of the screen, then click on Computer. Now let's click on the hard drive or flash drive where we saved our PDF. I saved mine on removable disk E. Now navigate through the items on the drive until you see your PDF. I see it right here, Health from Credo reference. Double click on the PDF file and it will open in the default program for that type of file, which is the Adobe Reader. Before we end our lesson, let's go over the key terms we learned. Database. A database is a collection of materials that you can search through for specific information. Full text. If an article is full text, it means that the database has access to the entire text of the article that you wish to view. Not all articles are full text. Some only have descriptions of the articles, and you have to look elsewhere for the content of the article. Download. In order to use a file on your computer, you need to download it. This simply means that you're saving it to your computer or hard drive or flash drive. Today we learned how to save a PDF article from 3 different databases. Most databases you encounter will be similar to one of these 3 in how they handle the saving of articles. We also learned how to open an article that we may have saved for later viewing. I hope you learned something, and as always, if you have any more questions, please email me at fmatthews@southwest.tn.edu.